Hi guys! Many are interested in the following question: how to get out of the situation while all money is already packed in coins. And this happens very often, especially with the new traders. When the market falls, the entire deposit falls into negative side. You are depressed every day. There is no free money for investments anymore. Transfer new money to the deposit. There is simply no free money left. What to do in this situation? Now in this video, we will analyze exactly this problem. My name is Edward and I am a trader and professional portfolio manager who manages a billions of dollar asset portfolio in a large bank. So stay with me, this video will be very useful for you. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, now is the best opportunity to do this. Subscribe, there will be a lot of valuable educational content for you. Do not miss it. Let's go back to the problem and see how the professional get out of this situation. And don't forget, even professional makes mistakes. This problem can occur with all coins, but for example, let's take in this case IOTA. Let's look at the screen now. You can see the IOTA price chart here. Suppose that in this area of a green ellipse, someone bought a coin for their entire deposit, so all money in. He thought that the price was relatively low compared to the previous levels. For example, the price here was 2.5 per coin. After that, $2 seems very profitable. It also seemed that this is a short correction and the prices will be even higher in the future. Therefore, it's seen as an excellent opportunity to enter the market. So this is not the highest price, so the deal must be successful. But until the next decline followed. Unfortunately, after we see a sharp drop in the prices, I think everyone in his life has seen something similar to this situation. Next, we see minus more than 50% from entry price. Such a strong drop in value signals that there will not be quick return to the previous level. Therefore, very important to have a quick step-by-step plan or strategy how to get out of this such bad situation. If you look at how strong the fall was after this point, then the graph shows a drop in value of more than 70%. So what would I personally do in such a situation? I would divide my entire deposit into 10 equal parts. Let's say the purchase price was made here or at $1.9 per coin. So in total 10,000 IOTA coins were bought. To implement this strategy, it's necessary to divide entire amount into 10 parts. That give us 1,000 coins in each share. So now I need to start working from the symbolic short position. What does it mean? This means that I borrow coins from myself and then I'm going to sell them. I take 1/10 and sell it on the market. In this case, I'm selling 1,000 coins. The asset price falls and there everyone makes decision for themselves when to buy back the asset. Someone wait for 5, someone wait for 10, and someone only takes 20% or even more of the profit. So let's come back. As you can see now, the asset price has fallen. I would buy back. So what do we have? For example, I sell 1,000 IOTA coins for only $1 I have $1,400 in my account. When the price reaches $1, I buy back 1,000 coins and pay only $1,000. How does my portfolio looks like now? Let's look. Now I have 10,000 coins again, as it was before. But the key point, I have 10,000 IOTA coins and also I have $400 in cash. Next, what can I do with $400? I will redistribute this profit between the original purchase price here. Suppose now the entry price will be 1.76 cents instead of $1.9. The second step is exactly the same. Again, I sell at a certain revival of buyers. And you may ask me, how to define this revival? As soon as the slightest surge in a demand activity appears on a downtrend, the price rises rapidly. By this movement, the seller takes the buyer into the market. After that, buyers begin to decrease their activity. Bids disappears, and at that moment I would sell. I would sell the second part at a certain point and buy back below. For example, I sell at the $1.25 and buy 30% lower, and I have profit of $390. After that, I redirect my received profit from this transaction in lowering the average purchase price one more time. Now, my average purchase is equal to $1 and only 82 cents. But some of you will naturally ask, but if you sell at the bottom by minus 50-60% of the initial entry, and let's say you sold, for example, 20% of total volume of coins or 20,000 of IOTA coins, and the market has grown rapidly upwards. The same thing, for example, happened with Bitcoin a few months ago. It turns out that the loss is fixed there and the short is open at the bottom. What to do when in such situation? Of course, it should be a counter strategy. For that case, if two such trades fail to make a profit and price has increased greatly, there is a solution. Let's take a quick look at the price chart below. As you can see now at the chart, two entries to the market were unsuccessful. The first deal could not be closed and the second deal could not be closed here either. As a result, the price increased 20%, of the coins were not redeemed back. I move my trades that I planned in this horizontal level closer to the price of my general entry, and I transfer also third and fourth purchase prior, so that the profit from this entry already covers my losses on these deals. That is, I find some average price from all transactions. So now let's talk what can this strategy give. First, with this strategy, a trader is not in a bad mood all the time if the market is in a decline. Trader is not crashed or overwhelmed. Second, the trader understands that he has a free liquidity in his account and he can trade other long positions. And the last one, it also gives an understanding that there are trades closed with a profit. Trader make a profit in a falling market, and this fact serves as a strong support which is very important in trading. Therefore, many successful traders use this strategy if something goes wrong. Please ask your questions under the video. Please also write in the comments, have you tried to trade using such a strategy, or have you ever heard of such a trading strategy? I would be very happy to read all your comments and I will gladly answer all of them. Subscribe to my channel as not to miss a lot of interesting and useful content about how to use strategies from professionals. See you in the next video and may the profit come with you. Bye!